I was in the market for a new job site saw, and I was watching Scott Brown Carpentry, and he told me that this one, the DW745, has a 610 grip fence width, and I'd never heard of a job site saw with that much capacity, so I ended up getting one. Thanks for that, Scott. But the big problem is it's not got soft start, and every time I press that little green button, it scares the crap out of me. It bangs. You think it's going to fall apart. Obviously, it's not, but it's pretty scary nonetheless. It's yeah, it's pretty brutal. So I did some looking for soft start mechanisms, and I came across a French lad who'd added on a Makita soft start module, and he was nice enough to leave the model number in the description. I'll link to that in the description of my video. It's a Makita soft start module for their rip saw, job site saw, and so today I'm going to be installing that, and we'll see how it goes. So I'm into the control box, and it seems pretty simple. We've got the input coming in here, which then goes through what I assume to be a thermal fuse over to this pin here. Then the other side, we've got what I assume to be a thermal fuse going to a thermal cutout switch, which is pictured on the front there. And then from there, it goes along the red wire to here. So these two pins are the input, the two behind them are the output, and then the two at the back are connected to the capacitor to stop noise leakage. So on here, again, quite simple, got the input on A, the neutral on C, and the output comes from B to the motor. So I just need to splice into these wires, and then I should just be able to tuck it in there. I'm not going to have a heavy usage out of this, so I don't think the extra heat caused by this module is going to cause me any problems. I'll just slip it in there. There are no bare connections, so the metal case shouldn't touch on anything. I don't think I'll have any problems just doing it like that. So I've just spliced these. I've used the same spade connectors that are existent on the machine already, same size. I've not soldered, I've just crimped them together, and I've put insulating sleeves on the exposed parts. The others will go into the female parts there and be protected by the existing plastic. Now that everything's back together, it's all plugged in. Here's the part where either it goes fine or you let the smoke out. Or nothing. Nothing. Okay, take two. Let's see if it works this time. Lovely. Doesn't scare the shit out of me anymore. Very nice. Okay, minor error. Turns out that for whatever reason, I don't know, I'm not smart enough in electronics, but you can't put the neutral to the input side. It has to go on the switched side. No idea why that makes a difference, but it does. So when you're connecting the module, the common has to go to the switched, which on here is the what is it? I can't make that out. The 14 and the 24. I put it on the 14, and it works. Previously it was on the 13 and it didn't. No idea why. Anyway, hope that helps someone else out.